So, welcome students. We will continue from medical termination of pregnancy. So, intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term is called medical termination of pregnancy or induced abortion. Okay. So, what is the definition again? Intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term is called medical termination of pregnancy or induced abortion. Okay, that means abortion is induced by the people or the couple. Near 45 to 50 million MTPs are performed in a year all over the world, which accounts 1/5 of the total number of conceived pregnancy in a year. So what we conclude, if there are 5 conception, there must be one MTP. So one in every 5th conception is leads to the abortion, the induced abortions. Obviously, MTP has a significant role in decreasing the population, though it is not meant for the purpose. Whether to accept or to legalize the MTP or not is being debated upon in many countries due to emotional, ethical, religious, and social issues involved in it. Okay, because you also know there are many more tribes. There are more than hundreds or 500 or thousands of tribes in all over the world. Okay, so different tribes, different religions have different views on the emotional, ethical, and social restrictions. Okay, so we also coming under the religious views to maintain our behavior, to maintain our attitude. Okay, so on that basis, many countries are also in being debated whether to legalize this MTP or not. But for overall, it is accepted in all over the developing as well as developed countries. So Government of India is legalized MTP in 1971 with some strict conditions to avoid its misuse. Such restrictions are all the more important to check indiscriminate and illegal female foeticide, which are reported to be high in India. Okay, so illegal female foeticide is going on so much frequently, it is observing. Okay, so why MTP, why the termination of pregnancy, why the couple choose are choosing for the termination of their pregnancy? There are many reasons. So why MTP? Obviously, the answer is to get rid of unwanted pregnancy, either due to casual unprotected intercourse or failure of the contraceptive used during coitus or rapes. If the rapes and the coitus contraceptives becomes failure, or some casual unwanted sex is going on and the female becomes pregnant, to get rid of that unwanted child, medical termination of pregnancy is assisted. MTP are also essential in certain cases where continuation of the pregnancy could be harmful or even fatal for both mother and the child. So there are many cases we also come across. If the uterus of the female mother is not so habitable, is not so suitable for the implantation and the growth of the embryo, then there is a fatality to both the mother as well as to the fetus. So in these cases, MTP is also accepted. So MTPs are considered relatively safe during the first trimester, because you discussed that the entire development is started from a single cell zygote and ends with a completely mature embryo or completely mature fetus. MTPs are considered relatively safe during the first trimester, okay, up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. So it is very safe to take abortion within the first trimester or 12th weeks of pregnancy. Second trimester abortions are much more riskier. Okay, if the abortion will exceed more than one trimester or attempts to be second trimester, then it will be so much riskier. One disturbing trend observed is that majority of the MTP are performed illegally by unqualified quacks, which are not only unsafe but could be fatal too. Unqualified quacks means students unqualified persons. If the desired doctors, if the professionals are not there, So if it could be done with any other unqualified persons, then definitely it will be problem, and it is also occurring. Okay, our India is also countering with many problems of this, on these MTPs by the many unqualified persons. Another dangerous trend is the misuse of amniocentesis to determine the sex of the unborn child. Frequently, if the fetus is found to be female, it is followed by MTP. We also discussed in our offline classes that most of the parents does not want the female child, and nowadays it also changes. Okay, nowadays couples seeks to more their child or wanting their child in the form of female rather than male. But before some years, today also somewhere there is a trend, okay, to avoid the female child. Okay, so if due to misuse of amniocentesis, because we discussed the amniocentesis, if the liquid fraction will be taken from the pregnant mother and is detected, the biochemical testing is going on to detect the chromosomes. If both X and X chromosomes will be found, if no Y chromosome will be found, the biochemical test will be confirmed that the presence of or the absence of Y chromosome or the presence of only X chromosome leads to the female fetus. So the female fetus must be removed, and the parents in that area or in that situation immediately prescribing for the abortion. So that is the main critical point for the MTP. So effective counseling on the need to avoid unprotected coitus and the risk factors involved in illegal abortions, as well as providing more health care facilities, would reverse the mentioned unhealthy trend. So if government will provide more and more health care, government will provide more and more motivational ideas about the value of both the male and female fetus, then only it can be reversed, then only it can be lower. Okay, so the misuse of amniocentesis and MTP is so much important. So MTP is also called induced abortion. Okay, MTP is necessary for many reasons: due to unprotected casual sex, due to the rape cases, or due to the failure of the contraceptives by the rape cases, or to, if some cases there is a problem for the growing of the baby inside the mother's uterus, if there is uterus problem, then only you can also choose for the medical terminated pregnancy or induced abortion. Okay.